Hi, it's Tanya with Red Cardinal Crafts. How you doing? Okay. As you can probably see, I'm missing from my channel. I did the whole New Year's, oh, it's going to be a wonderful year and I'm going to be posting stuff every day. Okay, so that didn't happen, but a good thing did happen. I am actually putting my products in a store here in Vancouver. Very excited. Today is Wednesday, February 26th. My stuff's going in March 1st and I'm not done making my products yet. Oh, I'm a bit panicked. I have today off. I took a wellness day from work. I was off for Christmas. I was off for 2 weeks and then I took 3 weeks break and I just needed to reset. I was completely burnt out during that time. I had applied to the store and I got in. So it's called Artisan Avenue and it's on Granville Street in between 12th and 13th Avenue. And I'm very excited. It's where local artisans can put their crafts and art. So very excited, but I have a lot to do. I'm going to be selling little mini marker drawings. I have bookmarks. I have pop-up cities, which I'm working on right now, which will at this point be Vancouver and Granville Island. I have some junk journals I'm going to do. I'm going to do some watercolor paintings, and I have my little pockets. Now pockets, this is a new product that I came up with. They're so cute. They're little handmade little animals, and they're in this tin. So this is a little pig. Her name is Fern, and this is her little farmer's market, and then all her little supplies are magnetic. I know. She has a little lunchbox that says Fern. So I have a pig, a bunny, a beaver, a dog, and a cat. So they're all different. Here's the dog. They're so cute. So these are all hand stitched, and then they have the dog works in the candy store. Fern has the farmer's market, and so on and so on. So those are my characters there. I have my bookmarks. I just made a Vancouver bookmark. Here we go. Vancouver represent. And I have 8 designs total with my bookmarks. So yeah, my stuff's going to be available in store on Saturday. I will show you guys what my stuff looks like once it's displayed in the store. And yeah, I'm very excited. And I'll put some products, if I have some time, I'll put some on my website, but they're going to be in the store. So yeah, I got a lot of work to do. Yeah, I took the time off to work on my art. I just needed to recharge because my job wear you out at times, and I like helping people, but you can't pour from an empty bucket. So I needed to take a break, take some time. And during that time, I did something good. I'm doing fun things. So I'm going to be finishing up my stuff today. I have to go down to the art store and get some bags for my paintings and for these pop-up cities. Stressing out a little bit. Okay, so it's 8:45. I've got to get to work. And yeah, I'll be back with an update. Just got a call from the art store, and the bags that I'm using for packaging, I tried just down on Granville Island because it's very close, and they're missing one set of the bags, but they have them over on North Van. Oh, I hate going to North Van. The traffic is always stupid. So I have to go there now because it's 10 to 2, and I have to do that before traffic gets stupid. So this is the art store there. It's so cool. And I want to spend more time in there, but I don't have time to do that. Okay. So when I took time off from work, and then came back to work, I told them that I wanted to work 4 days a week. So, where are you, sir? So that's what I'm doing, and I love it. It's so good. Why is everyone walking around my car? I knew this was one of those spots I should have backed up into. Yeah, so I have Tuesdays off. So once I get my stuff in this store, I will be able to do maybe field trips again. On my other channel, I used to do field trip Fridays. Maybe I can do take you somewhere Tuesdays. So I just went to Michael's and I had to return some yarn, and I didn't realize that you have 2 months to return something to Michael's, which was awesome. So I was able to switch it for black paper, which I just ran out of, and they didn't have their usual like 65 pound paper. I had to get the 110 pound. I don't know what's happening. And my new glasses are ready, so I'm gonna go pick those up too. All right, here we go. What do you think? You like them? They're round without going too Harry Potter. It is Friday night. I am sewing bunnies. I've got 3 of them made right now. I'm getting there. Still have paintings that I haven't started yet. But it's one of those things that I have the SKU, not the SKU. What am I trying to say? I have the list of stuff that I'm gonna sell, but it doesn't all have to be in the store tomorrow. I mean, it should, but if it's not, that's just how it's gotta be. I can only do so much on no sleep. My boss let me leave work early today. I left like an hour and a half early, which was good. I was able to go to Staples to get the little labels that I have to make price tags that go on the back of all my products. And they can't be handwritten. So this is my stuff right here. I've got my cats are done. That's my little cat. He's got a tail. Oh God, did I put tails on the other ones? Okay, it is 20 to 8. I've been up since 2:30, and I got my stuff done. I didn't get any paintings done, so yeah. Now I have to price my things. I can't find my labels. I got these hangy ones that I'm gonna hang from my bookmarks. I haven't listed any of my products on the store's website yet. I'll do that later. Oh my God, seriously, where did I put the labels? Oh. I was gonna hang these on my journals, but they're all packaged. Okay, that's not happening. Maybe they're not up here. Final push. Okay, so what I have to do is go on the instructions that they sent me and figure out how to price my items. All right, now for my biggest fear. Printing my labels. My price stickers. I'm terrified. This isn't gonna work. And I'm screwed. I can't even look, because if this doesn't work, I'm so screwed. It works. I did it. Oh shit. Alright, so this is for my bookmarks. No. Ah! It's official. Good, I've got 2 hours to price my things, bathe, because so much happening right now. I have price tags on my products. I'm so excited. So my stuff, it's all ready to go. Right, I am just down the block. Anyway, this worked out good. I got everything in there.
So like just make sure this part goes here on the back so that
So there was a bunch of us there setting up our shelves. Of course, I fell for the undercoating, as Scott would say. I upgraded to the next shelf up because there was one shelf, but it was up really high and you couldn't really see my products. So I ended up buying the more expensive shelf. So hopefully I'll sell some stuff. All right, so I am gonna go home, have some lunch, have a nap. Not necessarily in that order. And yeah, then I have to clean my craft room. It's a disaster. So I hope everyone is safe, happy, and healthy. And wish me luck. And I'll be back with some more videos soon. All right, take care, guys. See ya.